Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Google Maps indoor navigation. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Google Maps application. Finally, once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and Google Maps indoor navigation allows you to view detailed floor plans of locations like airports, shopping mall, and museum, enabling you to find specific stores. So open your application, and then you want to go ahead and search for an airport or something like that. So let's just say Dubai Airport. Right now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and zoom in into the airport, just like that. When you go ahead and zoom in into the building, it does normally change into a multi-level screen, but if it doesn't, you can still go ahead and see all the things right over there. So you can see where the spas are, where the restroom is, and so on, just like that. You can also go ahead and tap on it and get a direction to it if you want to. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.